The first thing we need to do to remove this cowling is to take off our windshield wipers. Flip them up, slide the release clip, and the windshield wiper will pop right off. Pretty simple. Do this on both sides. With the windshield wipers off, you're going to notice that there is going to be 7 screws holding this cowling in place. Again, we got to make sure those windshield wipers are off first or the cowling won't slide off. The screws are located right here, right here. There's one here in the center. If we go to the other side, corresponding screw there and there. Pop the hood, you'll notice behind the hood seal here is one screw there. And on the other side, corresponding behind the hood seal right there. All you got to do is remove those 7 screws. Now close the hood and just start at one end, prying slowly. Switch to the other side. Remove the cowling evenly so that it doesn't bend, and it'll come out fairly easy. Underneath the cowling, you're going to notice that you've got just a couple different things here. You've got your windshield wiper motors on this side, and you've got your cabin air intake on this side. Basically, you want everything clean as it appears in this video. You want to make sure there's no leaves, debris, dead mice, anything like that hidden in this area here, because this is all the air that's going to get sucked into your cabin of your Jeep. Also make sure you don't have a lot of rust. Got a little bit here, not too bad. My cabin air intake, nice and clean, no debris in there. Because if there's debris in this area, water will back up into that intake, and that's what will drip on the floor of your Jeep. The main cause of that water backup is going to be this vent here. If this vent here is clogged, then the water is going to, again, it's going to pool in this area and back up into that intake vent. So as long as this area is clear, you should have no problems with any leakage onto the floor of your Jeep, and hopefully no foul odors. If you've done what I've described here, hopefully you've solved your problem. Now all you have to do is reverse the process to put the cowling back on. If this video helped you in any way, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to check us out on Instagram, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.